Hi, welcome once again at Apex Biology. Remember to hit that subscribe button. For today, we're going to talk about habitats. And our objectives are very clear. Define habitats, and then we'll look at types of habitats. Let's go straight and define habitats. Okay. For definition, here we say habitat. Very easy. Simply means place organisms, normally lives. All right. The place organisms normally lives. The place organisms normally lives are known as what? Habitat. That's the definition. Now let's go to the types of habitat. For types, we'll simply classify them like this. We'll now say here we'll have habitat. Okay. We can classify them into two types. We can say aquatic, and then we'll have here terrestrial. Aquatics are found in water. Habitats in water are called aquatic. Habitats on land are called terrestrial. And the habitats that are aquatic, we can break them down into different categories. The aquatic habitats can also be known as fresh water. All right. The examples are rivers and then stream. All right, and then we will have ponds, examples of stream. For this one, there's no salt in them. Take note of that. Then we'll have the second categories of aquatic habitat that are called marine. Here, salt present. I have a lot of salt in the marine habitat. Example of marine habitats are things like the ocean and the sea, very large. Have the sharks and the whale there. Then you have the one they call estuary. Estuary are habitats that have mix of salt plus fresh water. And these examples are found in things like lagoons and places like delta regions. The example of the estuary. So these are the best example of aquatic habitat as fresh, as marine, and as estuary. Do not forget that. Okay. Then for the terrestrial habitats that are found on land, we can classify them because they're found on land as marshlands, right? Marshlands. You have mangrove swamp forests, mangrove swamps, right? Mangrove swamps. You have them as rainforest with a lot of tall trees. You have them as grasslands. Grasslands in Africa, we call them savanna. Then we have what is called arid land. Arid lands, example of arid lands are places like the deserts, right? Grasslands in Nigeria, we call them savanna. In Africa, in other parts of the world, we call them, in Australia, they call them veldt. Then rainforest, of course, you have a lot of tall trees. Do not forget that. Mangrove swamp, the soil, we have a soil waterlogged, right? Soil is waterlogged, okay? And then marshlands are grasses plus wetland. So these are the classification of the terrestrial habitats that are found on land. Marshlands, mangrove, rainforest, grassland, and arid land. We must not forget that there are special type of habitats on land that are specially called arboreals. Arboreal habitats. Anytime you hear the word arboreal habitats, they are habitats on lands, but they are found on trees. Enjoy learning at Apex Biology. Have a great day. Bye.